Ready, Austin High? It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the thoughts you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You can't have what you need to turn soon. But I have seen the same. I know there's shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I find strength in pain, and I will change my ways, know my name as it's cold again. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me hit the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and burn my ears. I can see those perfect straight lines. All my pulse, my words in the sun, my growing fears. I'm falling on hope and I'm letting you show. Your neck and I'm strength in pain. I'll change my ways, know my name as it's cold again. So come out of your pain, hoping on your hands, and see the world hanging upside down. You can understand the pendants when you know their makers how. So may your silence call and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's meant to be.